Liz, something happened to me at the supermarket today. The cashier said something so fast I genuinely did not catch it. I think she said the price. I nodded. I tapped my card. I think I paid the right amount. But I was not entirely sure. And then she said something at the end, and I just said thanks and walked out.
Jack, you are not alone. The checkout is one of the most intimidating moments for English learners in Australia because it is fast, it is face-to-face, there is a queue behind you, and the cashier uses very specific natural language that nobody ever teaches you in a classroom.
Exactly. I know how to say hello. I know how to say thank you. But what does "that'll be $12.50" actually mean? Or tap or insert? Or when they say, "You're right," when I did not ask a question at all?
Exactly. All of that can be confusing. By the end of this episode, you will understand every single thing a cashier says to you in Australia, and you will know exactly how to respond. Confidently, naturally, like a local. And in segment 3, we will explain a phrase that Australian cashiers say constantly that makes absolutely no sense as a response to what you just said. But once you hear it, you will never forget it. Stay with us. Hi everyone, I'm Liz and welcome to Learn Australian English. Today's episode was actually requested by one of our wonderful viewers, who asked us to explain how cashiers naturally say prices and talk to customers in Australian retail stores. We love comments like this, so thank you. This one is for you and for every viewer who has ever frozen at a checkout counter and hoped for the best.
And I'm Jack. Today, we are covering the complete Australian retail experience, from the moment you walk up to the counter to the moment you walk out the door. We will teach you how prices are said naturally, every phrase a cashier uses, how the EFTPOS machine works, and exactly what to say in response. We will also practice real dialogues, so you can hear the whole conversation in action.
If you have ever felt nervous at a checkout, this episode is exactly what you need. And if you work in retail in Australia, this episode will help you understand exactly what natural professional English sounds like at the counter. Let's go. Let's start with the foundation, how prices are actually spoken in Australian English. Because there is a big difference between how a price is written and how a cashier actually says it. Nobody says $12.50. It is always shortened, always natural, always fast.
Let me give you the rules. For prices with dollars and cents, drop the word dollars and say the cents as a 2-digit number at the end. So $12.50 becomes $12.50. $27.99 becomes $27.99. $103.45 becomes $103.45. The dollar sign disappears completely. The cents just become part of the number.
For whole dollar amounts, you can include the word dollars or drop it entirely. Both are natural. $10 can be $10 or simply 10. In very casual settings, you might also hear $10. The word bucks is Australian slang for dollars, completely natural and used constantly.
For amounts under $1, you say the cents clearly. 50 cents is 50 cents. 99 cents is 99 cents. And for amounts just over $1, $1.50 is $1.50, or sometimes just $1.50.
Context matters enormously. In a cafe, $2.50 almost always means $2.50. In a furniture store, $2.50 almost always means $250. The setting tells you which one the cashier means. If you are ever unsure, it is completely fine to glance at the screen on the computer screen or price tag, which always shows the exact number.
Now, let's walk through the complete checkout experience. from the very first thing a cashier says to the very last. Every line, every phrase. With the natural Australian English explained.
The cashier greeting. When you approach the counter, an Australian cashier will almost always greet you with something casual and warm. The most common ones are, "Hi there, how are you going?" Or, "Hey, all good?" Or simply, "Hi, find everything okay?" The phrase, "How are you going?" is the most Australian version of "How are you?" And the expected response is simply, "Good, thanks, you." Or, "Yeah, good, thanks." You do not need to give a long answer. It is social ritual, not a genuine inquiry.
Then comes the total. There are several natural ways a cashier announces the price. All of them are correct. All of them are common. Listen carefully.
Your total is $12.50. This is the most formal version, clear and professional. That'll be $12.50. This is a way to say that will be. Very common, very natural. That comes to $12.50. Slightly more formal. Means the items add up to this amount. That's $12.50. The most casual and fastest version. $12.50, thanks. Sometimes the cashier just says the amount directly with a thanks attached. All five mean exactly the same thing. The price is $12.50. Please pay now.
After the total, the cashier will ask about loyalty cards. In Australia, the two major supermarkets each have their own loyalty program. At Woolworths, the cashier will say, "Do you have an everyday rewards card?" At Coles, it is, "Do you have a Flybuys card?" If you do, you say, "Yes, I'll scan it now," or hold your phone up if you use the app. If you do not, simply say, "No thanks," or "Not today, thanks." No explanation needed.
Then the bag question. Since Australia phased out single-use plastic bags, cashiers now always ask, "Would you like a bag?" Or, "Do you need a bag today?" Reusable bags cost a small amount, usually 15 to 99 cents. If you brought your own, say, "No thanks, I've got my own." If you need one, say, "Yes, please." Or, "Just the one, thanks." Okay. I promised you the phrase that Australian cashiers say constantly that seems to make absolutely no sense as a response. Here it is. The customer says, "Thank you." The cashier says, "No worries." Or, "You're right." Or, "All good." None of these are the expected "you're welcome." But in Australia, all of them mean exactly that.
Now for payments. Australia is one of the most cashless societies in the world. The vast majority of transactions are done by card or phone, and the machine used for this is called an EFTPOS machine. EFTPOS stands for Electronic Funds Transfer at Point of Sale. The EFTPOS machine is the terminal you tap or insert your card into.
After announcing your total, the cashier will indicate the machine and say one of these phrases, tap or insert. This is asking whether you want to use contactless payment, tap your card or phone on the machine, or insert your card into the chip reader. The cashier may say things like, "Just tap when you're ready," or "whenever you're ready."
Tap means contactless payment. You hold your card or phone near the machine without inserting it. This works for most transactions under $100 without a PIN. For amounts over $100, or if you choose to insert, you will need to enter your PIN, personal identification number, your 4-digit security code. The machine will prompt you with, "Please enter your PIN," and you type it on the keypad.
If you are paying with cash, which is less common now but still perfectly normal, hand over the notes and the cashier will say the change back to you. For example, out of 50, that's 37.50 change. This means you gave $50, your total was $12.50, and you receive $37.50 back. The phrase out of means the amount of cash you handed over.
And now, the end of the transaction. This is where Australian cashiers use phrases that can confuse newcomers. The customer says, "Thank you." The cashier responds with one of these, "No worries." "You're right. All good. No dramas. Cheers." All of these mean, "You are welcome," or "No problem at all." They are not grammatically logical responses to thank you, but in Australian casual English, they are completely standard and warm.
"You're right" is the most uniquely Australian of these. It sounds like the cashier is confirming you said something correct, but it actually means, "You are all good. Everything is fine. We are done here, and I wish you well." It is one of the most distinctly Australian phrases in everyday use. The cashier might also add a farewell. "Have a good one," or "Have a lovely day," or simply, "Cheers, bye." Now let's put it all together with 3 complete real-life dialogues. Dialogue 1, supermarket checkout, card payment. "Hey, how are you going today?"
Yeah, good, thanks. You?
"Not bad, thanks. Do you have an everyday rewards card?"
No, thanks. Not today.
"No worries. Do you need a bag?"
Yes, please. Just the one.
"Sure thing. Okay, that'll be $32.40, thanks."
Great. I'll tap.
"Whenever you're ready." "Perfect. Would you like your receipt?"
No, thanks, I'm right.
"No dramas. Have a good one."
You too? Thanks.
2 new phrases from that dialogue. "Sure thing" means absolutely, yes, of course. A warm, casual confirmation. And "I'm right" when the customer says "I'm right" in response to "Would you like a receipt?" It means "I'm fine without it, no thank you." "I'm right" in Australian English means "I am okay. I do not need anything more." Dialogue 2, cafe counter, cash payment. "Hi there. What can I get for you?"
A large flat white and a cheese toastie, please.
"Brilliant. Eat in or take away?"
Take away. Thanks.
"No worries, that comes to $16.50.
Here's 20.
Out of 20, $3.50 is your change. Cheers."
Thanks heaps.
"You're right. Won't be long."
New phrases here. Eat in or take away. This is how Australian cafes ask whether you want to sit down and eat inside or take your food to go. And thanks heaps. This is a very Australian way of saying thank you very much. The word heaps means a lot. So thanks heaps means thank you a lot. Warm and completely natural.
Dialogue 3, clothing store. Larger purchase, PIN required. "Hi. Did you find everything you were looking for today?"
Yes, thanks. I ended up grabbing 2 things.
"Lovely. Do you have a loyalty card with us?"
Not yet. Actually, can I sign up now?
"Absolutely. I can do that for you quickly." "Okay. Your total today comes to $103.45.
I'll put it on card.
Of course. Tap or insert.
I'll insert.
Go ahead and pop your PIN in when you're ready.
Done.
Perfect. All approved. Would you like a printed receipt or email?
Email is fine, thanks.
Wonderful. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you. You too.
2 new phrases from Dialogue 3. Pop your PIN in. The word pop here means to quickly and simply do something. Australians use pop constantly as a casual, light way of asking you to do something. And all approved. This means your payment went through successfully. The transaction was approved by the bank. Everything is complete. Now let's bring it all together. Prices in Australia are said naturally. Drop the word dollars, say the cents as a number. $12.50, $27.99, $103.45. The cashier will greet you warmly. How are you going? Announce the total with one of the following natural phrases. That'll be. That comes to. Your total is. That's. They will ask about loyalty cards, ask about bags, and guide you through the EFTPOS machine with tap or insert and pop your PIN in.
And at the end, when you say thank you, you will hear no worries. You're right, all good, no dramas, or cheers. All of these mean you are welcome. Have a great day. We are done here. They are not confusing. They are warm. And now you know exactly what they mean.
The next time you walk up to a checkout counter in Australia, you are ready. You know the phrases, you know the responses, you know the machine. And you know that you're right does not mean you said anything wrong. You are simply all good.
A huge thank you to the viewer who suggested this topic. Keep your requests coming. We love making episodes based on what you actually need. Drop your next request in the comments below.
What phrase from today was most surprising to you? Tell us. Was it you're right? Was it no dramas? We want to know.
And if this episode helped you, please like and subscribe. New Australian English lessons every single week.
Catch you next time.